All right, Hunter. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to talk, but this is how you really scare geese. All right, bro? I thought I lost my cover case for the camera, but this is great. Little riverbank here, I gotta go slow. There we go. Now we're off to the races again. Watch this. Yeah, buddy! Hunter, that is how you scare some fucking geese, bro. Woo! Look at that white one trying to fly, he's too fat. Alright, Hunter, now that is how you scare up some geese. Get them all situated. Now the cows are coming out to take a look. Alright. I'm gonna head on back in now. But that was some fun scaring the geese, Hunter. That's how you do it. Peace.